Y'all, I'm so excited for this video. One of the biggest questions that I get asked on pretty much all of my platforms is, why does my hair fall out after I curl my hair? I think probably one of the biggest variables is how long do you keep it on your curling iron, your curling wand, and so forth. And today we're gonna test that variable. One section is going to be 10 seconds. The second section is going to be 20 seconds. And the third section is going to be 30 seconds. Today I'm using the Kristin S. This is her 1 1/4 inch curling barrel. It's just a simple wand without a clip. And the reason why I'm using a curling wand without a clip or a flat iron is because this will be very easy to keep track of the time, and you'll be able to see the hair on the barrel itself. And I have it set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will keep the same temperature throughout the entire experiment. All right, let's begin. I have separated my hair into 3 sections. They might not be equal, but whatever. We just want to get 3 sections. So this right here, first section is going to be the 10-second section. The section behind me in the back is going to be the 20-second section. And then this right here on my left side, the front left side, is going to be the 30-second section. And I have no product in my hair just because I don't need it. All right, so I'm just gonna take this first section, divide it in half, just because I want to make sure I get as much hair and not use such big chunks of hair. If that makes sense. This just makes it easier for me. All right, I'm gonna try to keep the sections as similar as possible. All right, Andre is gonna time it, and he's gonna tell me when to let go after 10 seconds. Ready, babe? All right, 10 seconds. And the way he's counting is he's starting to count as soon as I finish wrapping the hair around the barrel. You should just always be my counter. Makes it so much easier for me. I don't have to think as much. Moving on to section 3, which is 30 seconds. All right, so now that I'm finally done with all the sections, I'm gonna make sure the 20 and the 30-second sections cool off completely. I can still feel the heat on this side a little bit in the back, but the right side is completely cooled off just because it was literally 10 seconds per sections. And basically I'm gonna cool it off for probably like 5 minutes or so. And I quickly wanna show you guys before I brush everything out what the curls look like and if you can see a difference from the front to the back to the other side. Obviously you can see already a huge difference from the right to the left. All right, so 10 seconds. All right, it's been 5 minutes and I can now touch it and it all feels the same temperature. I'm gonna brush out the curls and we'll see how the entire look looks like. I am going to use a brush. And we are gonna go throughout the day and see how well the curls last and how fast they all fall out. So 10, 20 versus 30 seconds. Let's look at it now once they're brushed out. I'm gonna go out there and people are gonna look super weirdly at my hair. Like, what is going on there? Something's different, but I can't pinpoint it. Let's go eat some food. Five hours later, let's see what the hair looks like. How does it look like, Andre? Because I can't really see.
That side is a lot more.
The side is still defined. Yeah. 30 seconds. How is the 20-second side?
It's just kind of goes away.
And then 10 seconds is obviously, it still looks good. I can kind of see it in my phone. Very, very loose compared to this side right here. But they all still look really good. Alright, I'm just giving you guys all sorts of different lighting in this video. We're actually gonna go play some, we're actually gonna go play some tennis because I want to see how well this hair behaves after I play a sport or go work out or play tennis. So we're gonna go play some tennis right now, and it is 8 p.m. It is roughly 60 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so a little bit chilly, but we'll see how the hair reacts and acts, and we'll see what happens. And I'll see you guys later on tonight. I'm picking up my hair for a really intense tennis game. I came not to mess around, but also I want to see how well the hair lasts. Yeah, let's go play some tennis. Am I super sweaty? All right, let's do the hair. Ooh, I am sweating. How does it look?
The other side almost fell out.
This one?
Yeah.
Wow, that was great cardio. High five. All right, so it is a little past 10 p.m. We just came back, had to stop by the store to grab Zevia since it's on sale. If you're into that, go check out your local Kroger. It's on sale. All right, so let's look at the hair. And we did check the humidity. The humidity was high 70s. I think it was like 77 in our area. So we really put the hair through the ringer, through the test. I think we did good. I want to brush the hair out first, just because I was running around, all that good stuff. So we can really see how smooth the hair is and what kind of definition we have. The 30-second side looks like the 10-second side when we began. The 10-second side is still holding on, but the curls are very loose. They're kind of like a barely there bend. Andre, let me know how the 20-second side looks, because I can't see. So there we have it. You guys can see what the curls look like from 10 seconds, 20 seconds to 30 seconds, holding them on the curling iron and how they fall out progressively throughout the day. I think regardless of how long you hold it, you can see that obviously the less time you hold it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, the faster they will fall out and they will kind of look like a barely there curl at the end of the day. I am going to sleep and then wake up tomorrow morning and I will show you guys what the hair looks like after sleeping. I don't know what I was gonna say. All right guys, I will see you tomorrow morning. It is the next morning. I just finished my makeup and I still haven't brushed my hair. I wanted to brush my hair with you guys. I know, special moment. Yeah, you can see the 30-second curls, still beautiful. a nice bend to the hair. I think you can definitely see the progression. Even from yesterday when we just finished curling the hair, the 10 seconds, it was very loose compared to the 20 and the 30 seconds. This could be the variable that does make your curls fall out faster than they really should. My hair is very fine in texture and thin and straight, so it doesn't naturally keep a curl as best as a naturally curly haired person. So for my opinion, on this channel, I never recommend anybody with any kind of hair texture to go up super high to like the 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Your hair does not need it. All you need is go on a lower temperature setting, hold it for a little bit longer. There are many brands that prove it that even up to 300, your hair doesn't need it. Just hold it a little bit longer. Be safe with your hair. Just make sure you understand what your hair needs. I think this is a very great visual even for myself just to see the progression of what happens from 10, 20 to 30 seconds. For me personally, what I like to stick between 20 to 30 seconds, especially with the curling wand, just because you're not really passing your hair through on both sides. I like to hold it personally a little bit longer on a lower temperature setting. Again, I want to mention this and cannot stress this enough. Please be careful, especially with higher temperature settings. Try out the lower temperature settings and hold it for a little bit longer. Obviously start off with a little bit lower time and lower temperature. For example, if you have a 300 degrees Fahrenheit, hold it there for like 20 seconds, see what happens, and then progress to 30 seconds and maybe progress to 35, depending on your hair type. But please start off very slow and low. That's the game, slow and low. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you all so much. Bye.